Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. And today, here in the kitchen, I'm hosting the Summer Kitchen Vignette. I'm so excited to have you here, and I certainly hope that you're going to take a close look, not only at my vignette, but all the other collaborators that are going to participate. So, if you will, make sure that you watch the videos. If you can, watch them to the end. Give them a thumbs up along the way. And if you're not a member of their channel, hit that subscribe button. So, let's get to our Summer Kitchen Vignette. And you know, this collaboration is one that has gone on now for several years. And we are so excited to have you right here in the kitchen participating. Now, if you participate and you are a collaborator, I have put the link down below so that you can click on that link and add your video. Now, for those of you who perhaps want to include the hashtag Spring Vignette Collab 22 to your either your title or a top line of in your description box, then you will still be linked. Or you can certainly contact me and I'll add you to the list. Now, I'm so excited to have you right here in the kitchen. So let's get started with our vignette. Now let's talk about what's necessary. Now our vignette, whether it's spring, fall, winter, summer, it needs a tray. You're going to place it in a tray, so when you need to move it to a new location, you can pick it up easily and transport it. So a tray is necessary. You'll also want to have florals representing the season. And since this is the summer vignette, then I'm going to add some summery tropical florals. So I have lots of beautiful tropical florals that are going to be a part of this vignette. I've also included a little ribbon that's going to add to and enhance the florals. You'll also want some decor that is going to be representative of your summer vignette. And I'm definitely going to do that, as well as, if you can add some type of encouraging message, whether it's inspiring, it can be a plate, it can be words, whatever it is that you decide that you would like to put in. I certainly am looking forward to seeing what you create and put in, and this link is going to be open for the next 2 days. So you're going to want to get your videos uploaded. You've got plenty of time, and I started out early this morning so that we can get all of our videos in and be a part of that playlist. And certainly don't forget that I am your host. I am Leona Dooley of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. I'm going to bring you in just a little closer so you can take a close look at what we're doing with this vignette. Now I'm starting this vignette, as I said, with a tray. I'm going to add in this little lantern. And I don't know if you can tell, but I've got lights that are going to be a part of this lantern, but I don't want the hardware to show. So because of that, I'm going to put in a little greenery down in the bottom to kind of camouflage some of the workings inside of our lantern. And then I'm going to place in the lights. And it's on a timer so that either I can use a timer or I can certainly turn it on and off with the remote. So I've added those lights in. Okay, so we have our little lantern. You can see them flashing. I purposely let them flash. I also have some ribbon. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this ribbon, but this is ribbon that I like, And I think the colors are very tropical. We've got a little red, we've got a little green, we've got some yellow in this arrangement. And I think what I'm going to do is to actually sit the arrangement there, put the ribbon off to the side, and I'm going to fit this lantern right in the center. And I'm going to work with it so that the main flowers are going to show. So you've got the greenery inside. I'm going to turn that for just a second away from you. But you've got the greenery inside. You've got the greenery all around, as well as lots of beautiful blossoms. So we're going to let that be a part. And I think I'm going to cut some of these tails, make them just a little bit shorter. And of course we're dovetailing, but I want those tails to be pretty. I want them to stand up the way they should. And you'll see as I turn it around that this is going to make it much better. It won't look like they're just out there being lazy, but they're actually serving a purpose. So I have our red and our greens. We've got pinks. We have a tropical coral that is going to be a part of this tray. I've got my lantern, and we needed words of encouragement, right? Now I also have some decor. And I have some pineapples that I think I'm going to add to this arrangement as well. I'm going to sit them in. I'm going to move the florals just a little bit. I have a large pineapple as well as a small pineapple across from it toward the front. I'm going to lift those just a little bit so that the flowers show as well as the pineapple. So you can see those two pineapples are in place. Okay, in addition to that, we need some words. And you know, pineapples just say welcome. And I think what I'll do, but I wanted the message thankful. So let me see how I'm going to work that in. I think on one side we'll have the pineapples, and I think on the opposite side I'm going to add in our thankful, so that any way you see it, you will have a positive message. So I'm going to put this on a Lazy Susan so that it will turn. You'll see our thankful from one side, and you'll see our welcoming pineapple from the other side. Does that not say tropical? Now let me turn the light down so I can see if you can see the lights inside of the lantern. I think that works. I have my Lazy Susan in place, and any way that you turn this Lazy Susan, it says first, we are thankful, and you are welcome. Now, I hope you have enjoyed putting this little summer vignette together. And it's for my kitchen. So you know what? You're going to want to come back on Saturday, because on Saturday we're going to do a tour of our remodeled kitchen, and you're going to see our summer kitchen vignette in place. So Without further ado, I send you blessings and well wishes for this week. Enjoy, and for those of you who are collaborators, get your videos in so you can be a part of this playlist. And have a happy summer. I'll see you soon right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme.